Hi guys, today me and Ollie here are going to be showing you how to tame a Minecraft wolf. So just find any random wolf, and if you have some bones, hey, look at this. Come on, Wolfie. Good boy. Oi.
Make an army of wolves.
And whatever I whack, they will go kill it for me.
That is so cool. What happens if you spawn a bunch of enemies and then get a bunch of wolves?
No, because... Ah.
That's a puppy. Oh. That is so cute. Like the cutest thing.
Look at this, look at this.
Whoa. They come rushing to them. So anything you
look at this.
whack, they kill.
This is mean, I've got to kill them.
What happens if you whack another dog? Do they try to kill the dogs? No, they don't.
No. I'm going to call them all Bob. If you have an anvil and a name tag, you got this. B.O.B.
Bob.
How to beat Minecraft with a load of Bobs. Should I kill them all?
No, you already named them. Hey Barney, what is that? Oh yeah, the void isn't like 4 blocks thick. Hey, have you shown them the glitch you found with the anvils?
No. Oh, do you want to know the meanest way to kill your pet animals?
Well, not really.
Well, I'm going to do it anyways. I need the leash. I'm sorry for the Bobs that survived. Oh no, no, I'm pushing Bobs into the void. Look at this, Ollie.
Oh. It's so cool.
Oh.
Oh.
Look.
They put all the Bobs in the void. Oh. Bob fell from a high place.
Bob fell from a high place. Bob fell from a high place. Bob fell from a high place. So, if you guys want to see us do any more taming things, oh, look at this. Fly with me, if you guys want to see any more stuff, me and Ollie on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You can do it as it says you can, and see ya. Remember to like, subscribe.
Comment down below what sessions you have on other videos.
Bye.
Share with your friends, everyone else. Bye.